Hi, Mary. Now I'm going to show you cream puffs for Valentine's, Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, holiday. Cream puffs from scratch, okay? And with the cream puffs, with the shells, you can make the cream puffs with custard. You can make cream puffs with the chocolate that I had at our restaurant. And that recipe is on the chocolate tiramisu, the chocolate for the tiramisu. And then you can make eclairs. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Okay, there we go. Half a cup of water. A little bit of salt. Half a stick of butter. And we're going to put a half a cup of flour. Now the way I remember this by heart, I've told people before in my other classes, to make cream puffs, the full batch, which will make 12 cream puffs, it's 1 and 1 and 1 is 4. 1 cup of flour, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, and then you add 4 eggs, 1 by 1. This, I'm cutting it in half. It's still the same ratio, but this is half, half, half is 2. I have half a cup of water. This will make 6 cream puffs. Half a cup of water. If you come here, half a cup of water, half a stick of butter, half a cup of water, half a stick of butter. Now see, watch what happens in here. Look. Watch. See how it starts to bubble? Look. Get the butter melted. The moment it's melted, you're going to move fast. See how the water's coming up? See it? Now, I'm going to shut it off. Right away, we're going to put in the flour, half a cup. Stir, 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 till it comes away from the pan. Keep it on the hot stove with the flame off. See how it comes apart like a ball? Look, this is what you want. Comes apart like a ball. Okay. Put it here on the side. 2 room temperature or warm eggs. And now you're going to incorporate this. This is what causes the cream puffs, here they are, causes them to puff. There's no leavening agent in this. There's no baking soda, no baking powder, no yeast. The thing that leavens it, that rises it, is the mixing in of the egg. So you want to make sure you have it mixed in right. So let's come over here. Here's the mixture. Crack 1 egg and mix it. And you're going to keep mixing it until it is incorporated. Now watch. This is what rises it. Keep mixing. See, it's still slimy and slippery. Keep mixing. Don't get discouraged. Just keep mixing. This is what rises it. Keep mixing till it's no longer slippery and wet. Keep mixing. You may get discouraged saying, wow, this thing isn't mixing. It's going to mix. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Okay, the moment it's incorporated, do not overmix. You see it? Put in the other egg. Do the same thing. Break it. Okay. Over, 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 over. See, slippery. Okay. Now, you see it? This is the key now. If you can zoom in here. This, see, it's all incorporated, but now look. You want it to, you do not want to over stir. You want to wait till it looks satiny. Like this, look. Just kind of pretend. Does it look satiny? There it is. See? There it is. This is the dough. Now watch what we do. Watch what we do here now. We're gonna come here. Get your oven ready. Put it on 40 minutes. And we're gonna wait, okay? Now you come here. So remember, half water, half a cup of water, half a stick of butter, half a cup of flour, 2 eggs. If you're doing the full batch 12, 1 cup of flour, 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of water, 4 eggs. We cut it in half for 6. Here we go. Dip your finger in water, dip the spoon in water, and come and spoon it. Finger in water, come and spoon it. Because it's very sticky, so you need to have water, okay? Like I said, it makes 6, just like this. Add in water. Okay. Now, scrape it all up because there's a lot still in there. I'll show you how to form it. Put your finger in the water, let it come off. Okay. Now, put all your fingers in the water because we're going to form them so they're a little bit puffier, like this. Like this. Like this. Now watch, these are the eclairs. Watch. You're going to elongate the eclair. See it? Elongate it. So what am I doing? I'm making 2 eclairs and 4 cream puffs. Make them look pretty. Puff them up. Hands have to be wet. Your fingers have to be wet. And this is it. Okay? Now we're going to put it in the oven. It's about 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. You keep checking them, but don't open the oven. And this is what they come out with. Now we're going to stuff them. These 4 eclairs, these 4 cream puffs, these 2 are eclairs. Now, you let them chill. These were made like 20 minutes ago. They're touchable. And what you do is you put a serrated, a sharp knife, cut a hole in it like this, and take out the wet dough, if you want. Or you can just leave it in there. I personally like to eat it, okay? Take out the wet dough, cut it like this, open them, like that, take it out, okay? Eclairs. Okay, gently open, take out the stuff. Some recipes will tell you to let it dry in the oven with a hole poked inside this to dry it, but really it kind of gets too dry. These are ready for stuffing. Okay. Okay, first we're going to make 2 eclairs. Now, I'm going to get the chilled custard that I made earlier. I just finished a video that shows you how to make the custard. This could be made the day ahead, so you're not scrambling in the kitchen, okay? Here's the custard. You loosen it up with a fork if it's too thick. People used to add Cool Whip or just a little bit of whipped cream to thin it, but I kind of like it thicker. And this is how you stuff, okay? Come here, get a spoonful, and you stuff it, and you leave it open like that. Get another spoonful, leave it open like that, okay? While I'm doing that, watch this. Ghirardelli 60% cocoa chocolate chips. A dab of butter. Pour a little bit of heavy cream. You see that? I don't even measure it. Just a little bit of whipped cream, heavy cream, butter, the chocolate chips. 30 seconds maybe. We'll continue stuffing these other two. Look. Okay. Now, cream puffs. With a strawberry, a raspberry, cherry on top. Cream puffs from scratch, okay? Well, say you want eclairs instead. Well, you do that mixture I made. See, it's all melted. Watch. See how it's melted? This is the topping for the eclair. Ghirardelli chocolate chips, a dab of butter, just a little bit of whipped cream, of heavy cream. Now watch. Go like this, and you just pour it on. And what do you have here? Eclairs. So you can make cream puffs with custard, powdered sugar on top, or you can make eclairs. You let those cool a little before you stuff them, and I'll go ahead and stuff them. Okay? And then I put them in the refrigerator for like half an hour till they all firm up. Okay? Homemade eclairs. What bakery do you know that's making homemade eclairs that don't taste like they've been made a week ago and refrigerated? This is a tremendous dessert to make. It's really not that hard. Just have to follow the steps that I showed you. Okay, you guys. Here we are. Valentine's, Easter, Christmas, birthday. We made homemade eclairs, cream puffs. Beautiful. Homemade, from scratch. Egg, flour, butter, chocolate, milk, everything you should have in your house. Thank you. God bless you. Hope you try it.